At ADEGIS, servicing industrial automation is our everyday life. We approach each order comprehensively to meet the quality requirements of our customers. Each device undergoes a thorough inspection, during which we diagnose the causes of the failure. Using precise tools, we carefully check the components and take the necessary measurements. All components are professionally cleaned with ultrasonic cleaners and then dried in industrial dryers. Repair is not just about replacing damaged components. At ADEGIS, we go one step further and apply preventive replacement of components that are prone to wear and tear. Thanks to this, the devices we repair not only regain efficiency, but also we extend their life cycle. All this is to ensure that your company's production is faultless and continuous. Thanks to testing the devices at dedicated workstations, we are sure that the repair was successful. This is why we offer a 2-year warranty on the entire device, regardless of the extent of the work carried out. ADEGIS stands for fast deliveries, competitive prices, and its own warehouse of devices available off the shelf. Cooperation with us allows you to save costs and time during unplanned downtime. Our professionalism and service standards guarantee a smooth cooperation.